September's a great month to get into the garden. The warm weather's just around the corner and it's time to get off the couch and get out in the garden. Here's some ideas for what you can do in September here in beautiful WA. September, we should be planting things like tomatoes now. It's a great time to get them into the ground. You can buy your tomatoes either in punnets, in pots. You know what, when you buy a punnet of tomatoes, all the hard work's done for you already. There's so many different types of tomatoes, different shapes, colours, sizes that they grow to. There's something for everyone. We can plant citrus, helleborus, and evergreen trees like eucalypts and also casuarinas. If you don't know what you're doing or you're not sure, just come into one of our stores, see one of our expert team, we'll help you out. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants except for seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not happy with them, you can bring them back with proof of purchase and get a refund. It's September, it's time to plant lettuce, bok choy, rocket and basil. In September, your veggie garden will be ripe for the picking, with carrots, leeks, potatoes and onions. In September, it's a great time to get out in the garden and prune back the shrubs and tidy up those old winter flowers. A good one is bougainvillea. Make sure you give it a good haircut before the spring arrives. Now's a great time to feed as your plants burst back into life after winter. Use a good slow release across both the garden beds and the lawn. That way they'll get the boost they need for the months ahead. Just make sure you don't do it on a super hot day and water in effectively afterwards. It gets really hot here in the summer months, so make sure your watering systems are ready to go when the mercury rises. September's a great time of the year to get a wetting agent onto your garden in preparation for the hot weather to come. So the area needs to be wet down with a hose first, apply the wetting agent, and then all you do is just hose it in. It's that easy. Spring's a great time to be in the garden. It's one of my favourite times to be out there. Why don't you come into one of our stores and come and see one of our helpful team members for the advice to get that job done right. Click here for more garden advice or click here to go back to our website.